Ready? Alright guys, now we are already on the beach. We bring all the stuff for the housekeeping stuff. Now we are already wet landing. There is the beach. You can see that it's very good place.
Siya ukapan.
Yeah, a long distance. So from the beach around, from the ship go to the beach around maybe 10 or 30 minutes. That's it.